I got into the manufacturing program because I really like working with my hands, and it's just something I really enjoy. The equipment that I like to be on is the upcut saw because it's pretty easy to use, the band saw. It's really easy, it's very safe.
The machines are very high-tech, and it's kind of stuff that I was scared of at first, and now I can just do it on spot because we learned it and it's not as hard as we thought.
In this program, you really learn independence and leadership.
You learn a lot more than just woodworking. You learn how to live.
It will help us get better jobs in the long run.